So, how do I call my profit and loss account from zero? I go to organisations, assuming I've already connected the organisation. My organisation should all be listed here. The organisation I want to call in this case is Prime Pay and Tax. I then go sync data. From this screen, you've got two options. You can call the balance sheet report as well as the profit and loss report. It's important to note the balance sheet would only be on one date. That's why you'd be calling the one date only, so it would be the balance sheet date. However, the profit and loss, you need to define the period that you're actually going to call for. So in this example, I'm going to call for a monthly period, so from the 1st of May 2022 through to the 31st of May 2022. I can then call as many previous periods as you like. There's actually no restriction currently, providing you've got the data in zero. You also can call months, quarters, years, but in this instance we're going to call a monthly. We'll call 11 previous periods. So that would give me 12 periods, it'd give me May, and then 11 previous periods. I can also enter more tracking options if I want to start filtering data. In this instance, I'll just call. So I press refresh now. Here you go. It will now tell you that the query has been saved successfully. I can obviously set up refresh rules for every 1 minute, every 10 minutes, and even every day, or I can just leave it to refresh on demand. If I want to check that my API call is going through successfully, I go back to the home page, and then I can see on the API call report that my request was successful. If there's any errors in your report, that would be detailed here, but in this instance it's successful. Obviously, as you get going, you may have thousands, hundreds of API calls, so you can start filtering through the API calls between different accounting systems or different report types.